Welcome to today's video where I'm going to teach you certain words and phrases that I learned while watching a lot of TV shows and reading a lot of books, and they definitely help me speak more naturally and sound more fluent in English. First things first, and this is something that I talk about with everybody that I've come across so far, anyone who was trying to learn English or was in their journey of improving their English, whenever you try to expand your vocabulary, remember that you have to learn new words not as a standalone word, but remember those words in sentences. The mind always remembers the whole instead of a standalone thing when we try to retain the information like that. And don't forget to watch this video till the end, because there's going to be a quiz that's going to help you test your knowledge of what you learned today. So the first phrase is, I'm willing to chance it. Whenever you are willing to take a risk, you are willing to chance something. For example, I don't know if there's a bus scheduled for later, but I'm willing to chance it. Second phrase, we gotta hit the ground running. Whenever you want to start something immediately and with a lot of energy, you say, let's hit the ground running. For example, we need to hit the ground running with this project if we want to finish it on time. Offer an olive branch. Whenever you offer an olive branch to someone, it means that you want to put your disagreement or quarrel to an end. For example, if I had a big fight or a disagreement with one of my friends and I feel that I should now come to a point where we need to end this discussion and to each its own, just accept that, then I will go and offer an olive branch to that friend. Next phrase, get the creative juices flowing. I'm sure you must have heard it at so many places. I heard it in so many movies, and I also read it in a lot of books, to get your creative juices flowing. When one wishes to get inspired by greater creativity or productivity, they get their creative juices flowing. For example, I have been getting trouble getting this essay started. I need to get my creative juices flowing. Next phrase is, what's the scoop? You must have heard a lot of people use what's happening, what's the news, what's the update. So instead of that, we use the phrase, what's the scoop? You're just trying to informally ask someone what's happening or what's the update or what's something new that's going on. It's like asking for the details or the inside story of something. For example, hey, what's the scoop on the new restaurant opening around the corner? Next, your timing stinks or their timing stinks. When somebody uses the phrase timing stinks, it means that the timing is just unfortunate or very poorly timed. For example, if I'm leaving the house and my friend calls to talk about something very important, I can say, I was about to leave for something very important, your timing stinks. Next, this is the most ludicrous thing that I've ever heard. Whenever somebody uses the word ludicrous in a sentence, it just basically means that whatever they are hearing or they are reading is just unreasonable, illogical, and makes no sense to them. It's also used for things that you find extremely foolish. For example, if somebody comes to you and they tell you that pigs can fly, your immediate response to that would be, this is the most ludicrous thing that I've ever heard. The last phrase is, there's been a hiccup. I find this phrase to be really interesting, and you will realize once you start using it that it is so easy to use in your daily life. Now imagine that you're planning a big event, everything is going smoothly, and suddenly you realize that the company that's supposed to cater at this event, they can't do it anymore. So that means there is a hiccup in the event. Overall, a hiccup is an unexpected setback or an obstacle that affects your flow of work. Now it's time for a quick quiz to test what you've learned today. First question, dash on the latest development. The correct answer is, what's the scoop on the latest development? Second question, the idea seems dash to me, but let's give it a shot. The correct answer is, The idea seems ludicrous to me, but let's give it a shot. Next question. It's time to dash and mend the broken relationship. It's time to offer an olive branch and mend the broken relationship. And last, I know it sounds difficult, but Ash, to try something new. The correct answer is, I know it sounds difficult, but I'm willing to chance it to try something new. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you think you learned something new today, don't forget to go and comment in the comment section below. Tell me what was your score, how many were you able to get right, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel.